In this video, we shall figure out how to restore deleted WhatsApp messages of one contact on iPhone or Android, ensuring that no valuable conversation is lost forever. Part 2. Recover deleted WhatsApp messages from one contact on iPhone via iCloud Backup. Open WhatsApp Settings, Chats Backup. Uninstall, reinstall app. Sign in. Verify. Restore. Choose Recent Backup. Tap Restore. Wait. Deleted messages will reappear. Part 3. Restore deleted WhatsApp chat of one contact on iPhone from iTunes Backup. Open iTunes, connect iPhone, click device icon. In summary, pick this computer under Backups. Click Restore Backup. Choose desired backup, including WhatsApp data. Click Restore to initiate. Part 4. Restore deleted WhatsApp messages of one contact on iPhone without backup. No backup? Use iPhone Data Recovery Tool to retrieve lost WhatsApp data directly from your iPhone. This reliable solution works for both your iDevice and backups stored in iTunes or iCloud. Part 5. Restore deleted WhatsApp messages of one contact on Android from local backup. File Manager. Find WhatsApp data. Databases. Choose Backup by Date. Rename Megstore DB. Crypt12. Earlier protocol. No change. Uninstall. Reinstall WhatsApp. Setup. Verify number. Restore when prompted. Part 6. How to get back deleted WhatsApp messages on Android from Google Backup. Uninstall WhatsApp from Android. Reinstall. Login with same number. Prompted for backup. Restore. WhatsApp keeps 2 recent backups. Tap Restore to recover chat history and data. Part 7. How to restore deleted WhatsApp messages of one contact on Android without backup. In many instances, you might encounter a situation where WhatsApp messages are lost without any backup available. In such cases, Android Data Recovery steps in to assist you.